Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I'll be talking about how to create a Bitcoin investment website using HYP Pro. So as you can see on our HYP front-end page, this is the HYP investment website. As you can see, I like the color and the dark. I really like it. So these are the investment plans and the frequently asked questions, but I'll just go straight to the back end. So it's kind of it has a beautiful front end, as you can see. These are the recent investors. So I'll go to the back end, and as you can see, this is the back end. The total balance, the investment balance, the return of investment speed, and so on. So customers can receive request payouts over here, as you can see. So this is what we're going to be building in the next probably 20 minutes. So first things first, you will need a domain name. If you don't have a domain name, you should get one instantly. You will need a domain name for this. So after you have gotten a domain name and you have gotten a web host, this after searching for domain, your domain should be listed right here. Domain should be listed right here. So your domain is listed right here. So I'll click on this document route to redirect me to the main place where I'll be uploading the file. So I'll be uploading it right here. So everything inside, I have to delete it. Let me. When you open yours, your will be empty. Let me save the file I need. I'll click on delete. I'll delete. So for the front end, I don't need this. What I'll do, I'll just go to the upload. So I'll be uploading the HYP Pro investment script. So I'll click on it and I'll select where it is in my file. So I've installed it, I've uploaded it successfully. As you can see, this is the project file. I'll just need to extract. After extracting, it's going to take a while. So it has been extracted successfully. I'll reload, and here it is right here. So I'll have to move content inside this file. It's kind of loading slowly because of my network speed. So I'll have to move all this file located in this directory to the main directory. I'll move it backwards. I'll cancel. I'll move it to the main domain. So after moving the files to this main domain, I'll just have to come to this .env. This is the .env file we'll be working with. But before we work on this file, we need to create a database management system. So I'll click on MySQL. I'll use this MySQL wizard right here. I'll write the MySQL database name, which will be, I'll be using, let's say, HYP Pro. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be using HYP Pro for both the username and the database name, so that I can easily remember. So I'll copy this. Don't do this, because your website can be prone to attack. But since it's just a demo, I'm going to do this. So after creating user, create a user. So after creating the user database, I'll have to, so this is the user database name and the database password. So I'll pick all privileges and I'll make changes. Remember, I need to collect this because this is the password that I used. Then I'll go back to the .env file. This is what I said mentioned earlier. So I'll enter the .env file. It's taking a while to load. So right in the .env file, I'm going to zoom in so you can see it clearly. This database, I'm going to replace the information inside this place with database username and database password each. I pasted it and I'll save changes. Also, I'll need to change this app URL name to my website name. So which will be save again. So after saving, I'll cancel the page and go back. I have to zoom it outside. So we have installed it successful. So after connecting the database to my .env file, the next thing I have to do, I have to go back to my cPanel again and search for phpMyAdmin. So that's where we are going to be uploading the database. So I'll search for phpMyAdmin. So this is right here. I'll click on it. It's going to take a while. So right here, it will redirect us to the phpMyAdmin system. You just have to wait a little. So right here, remember the name of our database is called HYIP PRO. So I'll go to HYIP PRO. So this is where I'm going to be uploading my database into, because we just connected it right here. Remember. So this domain name right here. This domain name right here, HYIP PRO. This way I'm going to put it. So I'll click on HYIP PRO and it's showing here. I'll need to import it because the database is currently empty. So I'll import. We'll take it back to normal. I'll import and I'll select the file from SQL. So this is the file right here. This is the database file. I'll import. I'll just leave everything. So the database has been uploaded successfully. So what we have to do now is go back. The name of our website, we copy it from here. Control C, and I'm going to paste it in a new page. Click on enter. So it's going to load. Just ignore this because we have not installed SSL yet. So here it is. Here's our website right here. As you can see, it's exactly the way when we started. So if you'd like to learn how to edit everything in this place, you just have to go to the admin, because you can probably do everything from the admin section. I'll click on the admin. So guys, this is the admin login page. So in the admin login page, I'm going to enter my admin username and admin password. I'm going to sign in. So right here in the admin page, as you can see, you can skip this if you want to set. If you want to set automatic payments, you can. That would be very useful, but we just have to skip this. So here's the total amount that is currently in our platform, and it's not quite clear, but these are all the basic controls you need to make changes to the website. So first of all, to manage content, the content of the front page and the back end. So this is the user dashboard, and this is the admin dashboard. As you can see, we can see all the users right here. So to add to the user balance, we just come to the user specifically. So users are listed right here. Manage user. So under manage user, you see all user. So in all user, then these are the list of users that are currently available in our website. So what we have to do now is just scroll to the side of, then there's this action here. This action, you can now edit user. So on my editing user, you can ban user, you can verify their email, SMS verification, or two-factor. But here, this is where we're going to fund the log. So as you can see, add fund, sorry. So you add the total in the main balance, or you can add any amount you want to add in the main balance. Just going to add 5 bits right there, or you can add it to the investment balance. You can remove and you can add. So that's it, guys. So for more content like this, just continue to leave that like, and don't forget to follow. Thank you, and I'll keep posting more content like this.